Hi friends, I am Sovik and welcome to my channel Rice Quest. In this video, I am going to show you if you have this in your house and sometimes it is not working, I will show you how to repair that. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. You have to take some precautions, that's all, and you can easily do it at your home. So without further wasting any time, let's go and check. First of all, what we need to do, we have to take some precautions. So for that precaution, I am working on a wooden table, so that if anything went wrong, I won't get any shock from it. And second thing, what we need one nose plier, one tester, and one wire. You need soldering iron, soldering material, and the flux. This is a series lamp connection what I have made. This is so easy and you can easily make it. I will make another video how to make that series bulb connection, so that you will be able to do that. This is a series lamp setup that I have made, and I am going to check first what is it working or not. So first of all, I am going to give this power, and for testing is it okay or not, I'm just checking this. Yeah, this thing is working. Okay, so first of all I need to check whether this thing is okay or not, this bulb is okay or not. So I am going to fix this thing and switch it on, and then going to check this. Yeah, this is working. See, this is working. So this one is good, so I am going to keep it aside. No, this is also not working. This is also faulty one. Now I am going to fix another one. I am going to check. Oh, this is also not working. This is also faulty one. Now for the second part, now what I am going to do, I am going to fix this series bulb, and see, this is the bulb, 100-watt bulb that I am going to connect. See, and now coming to the repairing part. This is a faulty one. This is the diffuser, and I am going to open this thing. Now you can see the LED panel. You can see the LED panel here. By opening this diffuser, I am going to put it aside, and I am going to fix this thing, and going to power this thing. This is the LED panel, and I am going to short one by one these LEDs, and out of these 9 LEDs, one LED is faulty. So if I can short that LED, it will work. So I will show you how to do that. Now I have to be very careful while shorting these LEDs. This could be, if I make some mistake, this could be very dangerous for me. I am going to short this thing one by one. This LED is faulty. This LED, this one is faulty, and I am going to short this LED, and this bulb will working. So don't waste the time, and we will do it. I have removed this LED, and now I am going to solder this For this I need a soldering iron. I open this LED and I am going to short this LED. See, now I have done this thing and now I'm going to power it on. See, it's working. So I am going to fix this diffuser and properly going to fix this thing, and now see, it is working. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and comment, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.